How to download Snapchat without App Store. So if you want to download your Snapchat without the App Store or your Play Store, if your stores are not working or if you're facing any problems on your store and if you want to download your Snapchat, then what you need to do is just simply go with your search engine. You may have Google, Safari, browser, anything that you're comfortable with. So you just need to simply go with one of those options and go with search. And under search, you need to simply search for Snapchat APK download. And once you've searched here, you'll have the website that will provide you the APK for your Snapchat. So you just need to simply scroll down and then go with any website that you're comfortable with and just scroll down, and here you will have an option of download APK. Tap on download APK and scroll down again and go with the version that you would like to download. So you just need to simply go with the version and then go with the right side which has download option. So tap on download, or here you will have download APK. So you just need to simply go with download and it will start downloading the application. So that's how you can download your Snapchat without your app stores. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.